I'm sharing with you my beetroot sauce recipe, and this is because beetroot is rich in antioxidants that helps the brain function, improves heart health, and all the vital things in the body that requires antioxidants. Beetroot helps. So for me to make this sauce, I used two beetroots. I uncooked beetroot. I used an onion, a small one or a medium-sized one is okay. I added a handful of cherry tomatoes. You can skip this part. The first time I made the beetroot sauce, I didn't use the cherry tomatoes. But in the second one, I realized that when I sliced in some cherry tomatoes, it improved the flavor a bit. So that's why I added the handful of cherry tomatoes. And then, because we love spicy food, of course, who doesn't love spicy food? If you don't like spicy food, then just skip the scotch bonnet, which is the one I added to making my sauce. And then I just wash these vegetables and the root crop, put them all together, dice them into my blender. And if you don't like onion or you don't like white onion, you can also add in the red onion. You know what they say, the redder the color or the deeper the color, the more health benefit you will get. In the past, I used my beetroot for just making smoothies. I don't even like handling the uncooked one. So normally I will buy the boiled one from the store and just blend with some other fruits, and then my smoothie is ready. Then I thought, why am I sticking to just having beetroot smoothie? What other ways can we enjoy this nutritious root crop? And that's why this sauce that I'm sharing with you, it was a banger on the rice that I ate with it. So in your saucepan, you can add in some olive oil, then mix in the mix that you just finished blending. That's the beetroot. While you do this, handful of cherry tomatoes, relax and the onion. Wait for like 8-10 minutes for this to simmer. While it's simmering, after about 6, 7, 8 of it simmering, then you can add in the salt, the Maggi, the whatever seasoning that you want to use. This is the time you add everything to the sauce, and then the aroma from the kitchen is enough for you to consume your dinner with. So I used the gemize. It stands for vegetables. So that's no vegetable bouillon powder, which I just added, and then the salt. I cannot tell you how much of salt you should add, so please use the salt according to your taste bud. And then stir this together. Let it cook a bit again for some few minutes, and then I think it's ready for you to put, be it to eat it with a boiled potato, boiled rice, and once boiled pasta, sauce is finished, whatever it is that you want to eat it some oil just on top of the sauce, and then we are ready to eat our food.